Hello, my name's Omar and this is my coursework 2 work in progress video. Since my coursework 1 submission, I've implemented a start button and I've also implemented and imported a iPad. The start button is for when the game menu, so you have to click start in order to have any sort of interactions. I've done this through a visual script graph with the button start and the on-click button and the key down in order for it to set. If I click on play and I click start, the iPad appears. The iPad is rooted into the player caps and it can move around with the player as well. I've also changed my initial requirements for the project from a cafe where they serve coffee to a burger restaurant similar to the coursework and the tutorials. I have obtained a 3D model of a diner, lighting, and with various objects inside like the stove and seating. I have done this because I feel right now it's easier for me to catch up by doing this, since there's so much material online and on tutorials and on the lectures, and it helps me plan out by doing this and keep to a tight-knit schedule. I have also revised the previous floor plan. This is what the previous floor plan looked like. It was very simple, there was no prefabs with it. With this floor plan, it is very clear and you can see where everything's situated, like the seating and the entrance here where you walk in, and these are all prefabs that are already made. These are already objects there already, so I'm not making it from scratch, which makes it much more easier. I have also done a flowchart to kind of illustrate the direction and the flow I want the actual interaction to go between the character and the waiter. And this is an example dialogue. I've got other dialogues that I will use in my project. I've also produced a NAT chart to plan out what I will do until after the work in progress is submitted, until the deadline is due. Over the next few days, from the 15th to the 19th of December, I will continue to working with the Mixamo characters, adding animation and movement through using Motion Builder. I will also add to the prefab, make it bigger, make it spacious so that the actual Mixamo character can walk through it. I will also be implementing a basic functional ordering system through the iPad, as this will serve the foundation of the interactive element of the project. During the following week, I will be testing and iterating the project, and to ensure that it's functioning smoothly and looks realistic. I will also enhance the project and be adding more complex interactions and features, such as multiple Mixamo characters and different ordering options and different dialogue. The next weeks of the project, from December 27th of January to the 5th, I will be focusing on finalizing the functionality and interactivity of the food diner. This includes ensuring that the ordering system and other interactive elements are functioning properly and seamlessly. We'll also be conducting through testing and iterations to guarantee good quality outcome. And in the final days, from January 6th to the 9th, I will be adding final touches and improvements to the project, such as polishing the visuals and optimizing the performance. During this time, I will be looking for any additional implementation that would allow my project to progress from the initial coursework requirements. I will also be preparing the project for the final coursework video and submission. That is my plan, and thank you for listening.